Hi friends, uh, welcome to Aero Design Studio, and today we'll be making this object you can see on your screens. We'll be using sweep command to make this, and let's start by making it from the lower flange. This is the lower flange. First of all, we'll make this, and then we'll be making the rest of the thing. Okay, so the dimension of this flange is 3.750 and it's a square. So I'll be going over here, I'll be saying sketch, and then I'll select this plane as a working plane. Then the very first thing what I'll be doing is I'll be placing a line from this point to this point and a line from this point to this point, and I'll make sure that these lines are construction lines, right? Then what I'll be doing is I'll be making one rectangle over here. I just see the dimension of this should be 3.705 750, it's sorry, 3.750. This also is supposed to be 3.750, and then I'll be saying symmetry. I'll be placing these two between them. Before that, I'll be fixing this. Fix, click, right click and say fix. Right click and fix. You may notice that it turns green when you fix it. And then you need to say symmetry for this point to this point along this axis. Again symmetry for this line to this axis. So in this way you have created the stuff. Okay, now what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a fillet of 0.560 over here. So filleting, press control and select all the corners, and then say 0.560. You will get this fillet. Okay, then a circle of this point. This circle is of four cutouts of 0.380 this way. I'll be making circles over here. This they might not be equal, but then I can say equal this way, equal to this, and then again you have to say equal to this. This is the way, and a circle which is in between, which is of diameter 1.620. Now the dimensions might not be that minute, but here we can notice the scale of the drawing is 3:4, but we are making it to the scale in which it is mentioned in the drawing. So what I'll be doing right now is I'll be extruding this total stuff by dimension of the dimension is somewhere missing, it's not displayed, so we'll be assuming the dimension as 0.560, and it's 0.560, and I'll be extruding it this way. So this way I have created this extrusion and the base flange. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be creating this sweep. So I'll create this as a base plane over here. Sorry, I'll come out again. Okay, I'll be selecting sketcher plane as this one. Okay, and I'll consider this as my projection. Okay, right from this point I'll be making a line over here. Let this line be a construction line, right? And the dimension of this line be radius of this 4.880. Okay, then I'll be saying a circle from this point to this point, right? Again a line, and I'll be placing this at a dimension of t. That's sorry, the dimension of 45 this way. So this is the line, this also is a construction line, but the thing is that now you may see this total stuff over here. I'll offset this line by 0.5660. No, 1 minute, what it is, it's 0.560. It's 0.560, not 5660. It's 0.560. Now why I have done it is because I don't need this extrusion. This would come curved. I want it straight. So in this case, I just need to reach till this point. This will be extruded laterly, but I need to make this curve only this much. Okay, I'll say trim. I'll trim this. I'll trim this. I'll trim this as well. I don't need this. I don't need this as well, and this as well. This is the thing that I need. That is the sweep path. I'll say finish sketch. I'll come out again. I'll be saying sketch on this plane. This is my projector. Sorry, this only this edge. So okay, a circle. The inner one has been 1.620. The outer one is now 2.380. 2.380. Okay, so this is what I needed. I'll come out of the sketch, select this sketch this way, create a sweep and select the path. This is my path. So this way I have created this total thing. I'll say okay. I make sure it's a join. So I have done this. Now I'll simply go in sketch mode. Again I'll be going in this. I'll say P project. Okay. This time I don't have to make a square. I have to make a circle. So that is of diameter 3.880. 3.880. So right, I'll be making a line which goes this way. It's a construction line. I'll be making one more circle which is of PCD 3.380. 3.380. I'll make it a construction circle. I'll be making a circle over here again. I'll place it over here. The diameter of this is 0.380. 0.380 this way. Offset this by 0.19. Offset this by minus 0.19. So it intersects the circle completely. You can see this way. Okay, I'll delete these lines. I don't need them. Trimming them this way, this way. I just need to select all of them this way, this way. I'll say create a circular pattern. Select the center point and I'll say 4 are the numbers. Okay, so this is the sketch which I'm supposed to extrude. Extruded by how much? It's 5.560. 0.560. This way we have completed this complete. Something is missing over here. No, it's perfect, no issues. And the body is single. Okay, so in this way we have completed this tutorial. Now what I'll be doing is I'll just create a section and I'll show you section analysis. This is the section, and you may see it's a clean section. It's covering right from the bottom to this point. From this point to this point it's a curve, and from this point to this point it's a straight line. So it's a perfect geometry, you might see. And we have completed and covered almost every aspect of the geometry. And we can have a look at this. Now we'll be giving the last thing over here. Those are fillets. F enter, F click. This one and this fillet is the crucial one. And along with that I'll be selecting these as well. These are the fillets, and 0.15 is a comfortable, because as it's not mentioned anywhere. I have a freedom to choose it, so it's 0.15. Either you can say 0.1 is also okay. Say okay. In this way we have done it. You can analyze the particular model in section as well. This way you can see. So this is the object. Okay, so thanks a lot. Please have a close look and please try to make it. In case of any confusions, please you can comment me in the comment box. Thanks a lot.